Hey guys, it's Nick, also known as Zippy Zombo. I just got this. It's a new fire alarm, and I have not opened it and looked at it yet. I just took off the tape. This is how I always do my unboxing videos. I never look at the item before I open it. I just take off the tape, so it's not as awkward for me whenever I'm taking it all apart. Alright, let's see what we got in here. I can see some red, I guess that's good. There we go. That's all it's in the box. There it is. It's a Wheelock CH-70 fire alarm, speaker strobe combined, and see the SEC rules deal. This was installed in the building, but they upgraded their systems. Wiring looks good. It's got wires coming out of it. So, looks like everything's there. And it's rated for 20 to 31 volts DC. And my power supply is rated for 30 volts DC. So that'll be just perfect. Never owned one of these. I've never even touched one of these before. So, it's pretty cool. Looks like it's got a tone dial. And a volume level there. I did not know that would be there. That's pretty interesting. You can change the volume yourself. So, I'm going to get this hooked up and I'm going to get it working so you guys can see it in action. Thanks. Thanks for watching.